Hello everybody, today I'd like to present the Filmoplast SH pH balanced acid-free linen tape. Great product to repair hinges on hardcover books. Thick tape with very strong adhesive, meaning please be careful when using the tape. Open the book up and see where the hinge has the problem on. Measure the tape with the linen on back of it. Very strong tape, so please be careful. It's pretty thick, so you'll be able to take it from the back easy off. Please put at least about a 1/4 inch on the right side of the book. Push down with the Neschen squeegee. Push in the middle. Close the book, a little bit of pressure, open the book. Now the hinge does not come apart.